National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lincoln County, South Central Iredell County, Northwestern Mecklenburg County, Central Cleveland County, Northern Gaston County, until 7 a.m. At 6:14 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles northeast of Shelby, or near Falston, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Krause, Bellwood, Huntersville, Northeast Charlotte, Stanley, Iron Station, Lucia, Lowesville, Falston, and Denver. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 a.m. for the following county: Iredell, North Carolina,